subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss another update from India Forums.
सबसे पहला म्यूजिक वीडियो जो करते हैं हमेशा उसकी एक्साइटमेंट ऐसी होती है ना, बार बार रिफ्रेश करके देखना। मुझे खाने से इतना प्यार है ना, मुझे दुनिया में किसी से इतना प्यार नहीं जितना मुझे खाने से प्यार है। No boys, no girls, no nothing. It's just food.
She gets naughty with the food.
You don't need all of that. कोई मर गया, कोई कुछ हो गया, कुछ कैसा हो गया।
You know, we be so comfortable in each other's space, and there's a very unspoken kind of chemistry which is there, which just reflects on screen.
Hi guys, this is Simran, and joining me for a conversation today is the very gorgeous Urvi Channa and the handsome Sharad Malhotra. They have their song released today, which is Bepana Pyar. बेपना प्यार ऑडियंस भी आपको हर प्रोजेक्ट के लिए देती है गाइज. टेल मी हाउ इज द ऑडियंस रिस्पॉन्स ऑन द सॉन्ग. हैव यू गाइज जस्ट बीन रिफ्रेशिंग द फीड एंड चेकिंग कितने व्यूज हुए, क्या कमेंट्स आए हैं? सबसे पहला म्यूजिक वीडियो जो करते हैं हमेशा उसकी एक्साइटमेंट ऐसी होती है ना, बार बार रिफ्रेश करके देखना. But you know, we have such a lovely team hands-on who keep giving us updates on how we have कितने views हो गए हैं, क्या response आ रहा है, क्या comments आ रहे हैं. So it's great. It's amazing that we're getting so much love for our first music video together, and it is my personally first music video also, and it's with Viral Originals. I think who better to start my music video career with, and they have done some crazy work in the past and some amazing melodies in the past, and ये वाला तो धमाकेदार है because visually बहुत अलग है, बहुत appealing है, different story है, so it's good. Right. Sharad, what about you? Have you been reading comments? YouTube की एक खास बात होती है कि आप immediately वीडियो के नीचे comments पढ़ सकते हो what people have to say about your performance or the song itself.
You know, since morning only, I think since the video is released, the phone's been beeping non-stop, and the kind of response we've been getting is pretty much it's very overwhelming because we expected it to be good, but like I've said earlier also, you know, it's been absolutely crazy. The kind of comments, the kind of posts, the kind of reposting that's happening, the kind of you know, people are resharing stories, and you know, it's all. So it's been like, and also luckily, you know, we have like a really good team, like a very nice team giving me updates every hour, and I to be honest, I want to confess, the first 30 minutes I was keeping a track of all the comments and all the posts that were kind of coming in, but then after that obviously you tend to lose track because you know it's just popping in every second. You know, you have feeds popping up and all the different windows and different people trying to, you know, just connect with you. But yeah, I think since then what I've heard is like the numbers have been just coming in and they've been shooting up every second, and we're actually waiting for the 1M mark, first 1M to happen today, and that'll be like a quite achievement, and obviously so forth we're expecting it to probably just cross you know, all the records and break all the records. Fingers crossed, inshallah, and we're hoping for a great response in the next couple.
It will happen, of course. I just wanted to know that how was the process like of getting on board? I'm sure this wasn't like the first video that, you know, was approached to you guys. Why did you guys say yes for this one specifically? And did you guys know who's going to be a co-star in the video? Yeah, you got to know like later on.
See, when I was approached for this video, because we're doing television, we don't have time for videos or ads or commercials or whatever. So there's only very limited time left for your other kind of activities. Because you know, most of your time goes into your daily soap or your television. But then yes, you know, this show got over. The show had a great response, had a great run. Both Surbi and myself, we were really well appreciated for our characters, and then, you know, post this the hysteria of the Chil and the Nagin, when the makers of the video kind of approached us, and I obviously, you know, it's a very you know, you want to know who's your co-star, and honestly I asked, I said, who's my co-star, and then I was Arey wah, kya baat hai, you know, we're coming back lying in you know, in a new, totally new avatar and a new form and totally different dynamics. So yes, I was really excited because the kind of magic, if I may say, we had kind of created set, Nagin, and on screen kind of continue from where we left. And luckily, if you see today also, it's just about we're so comfortable in each other's space, and there's a very unspoken kind of chemistry which is there, which just reflects on screen. So I think people are loving that.
Right. Surbhi, for you, this is your first one. Of course, बहुत सारे videos के offers आते होंगे. Why was this something that excited you when you wanted to be a part of it?
The first one always has to be special. Be it your first love, be it your first kiss, be it your first everything. All the firsts are very special. And I thought that, I think there are 2-3 things that added to this. One, it was a very different story. Coming to the story, it's not the usual where you're dancing or there are peppy beats. It's a song, it's a music that just, you can sleep, you can do any activity. वो पीछे background में बजता रहेगा ना, but you don't need that all of that. So my idea was to actually come with something that will touch everybody's heart. And so one, the song, the music attracted me. Second was the story behind it that attracted me. I think usually you get to see the typical stories, कोई मर गया, कोई कुछ हो गया, कुछ कैसा हो गया. This is very CBI and thief and the money heist kind of a base story, which you have to come to that, and I've given it out. So I kind of feel that something that's untapped. It's not you don't see usually videos like that. It was challenging for me because I didn't. It was not the usual typical जैसे टीवी में कोई हीरोइन होती है वैसा नहीं है. It's very the look is very spotty. It's she's glammed up, but she's also very there's these one shaded colors to her, these leather pants and the pants and the boots, and the look is that which kind of, and I had to have a body for that. Of course, it's with Sharad, and I think people have loved us even when the show got over. Yes, and I think it was a young team with viral originals, all youngsters, great minds. They such an international feel to the video. I think these were the various reasons this had to be my first, and never going to be any regrets there, because it's come out beautifully, and the end product is amazing, and the response is fabulous. So everything, touch wood, everything is good.
Right. The song's name is Bepana Pyar. I would like to
really
know...
Simran? Thank you.
नहीं, I'm just saying, I was coming to my question. Song का नाम बेपना प्यार है. Surbhi और Sharad, if I were to ask you guys specifically, real life में बेपना प्यार एक food item को करना हो तो कौन सा food item होगा?
सुरभि हो गया. सुरभि सोच के बोल रही है अभी.
नहीं, आप पूरी दुनिया, अभी जितने लोग मुझे जानते हैं, मुझे खाने से इतना प्यार है ना, मुझे दुनिया में किसी से इतना प्यार नहीं जितना मुझे खाने से प्यार है. एंड मेरे लिए ये बहुत टफ क्वेश्चन है. I will take hours to answer this because
ये बिल्कुल सच बोल रही है, बिल्कुल.
And there is not one thing, Simran. There are multiple things जिससे मुझे बेपना प्यार है. और मैं सॉरी, ये गलत इंसान से आप पूछ रहे हो. I'm sorry, इसका मैं जवाब आपको सोच के दूंगी. Because food is all I think about when I sleep. Food is all I think about when I wake up. Even when I'm when I'm trying to get into a shape, food is everything that I think about. No boys, no girls, no nothing. It's just food.
Right. Okay. Sharad, for you, is there something?
What did you say, babe?
Yeah, I think she gets naughty with the food. That's a different kind of. Yeah, but I think for me also, see, we both are Punjabis, man, and आप पंजाबी से पूछें खाने के बारे में, which is not a great idea. I love my chole bhaturas, I love my butter chicken, my rajma chawal. I mean, come on, man, I can go on and on. So मुझे बेपनाह प्यार है खाने से.
Some people actually.
Okay,
बेपनाह प्यार हमें बस पूरे हमें खाने से है बस.
Right. Before I end this, Gaane mein there is to be continued. So are we expecting anything after that? Have you guys shot something already, or what is it like? Because last में the to be continued, I'm sure fans को बहुत intrigue कर रहा होगा कि are they going to see something more coming up?
That's a surprise. That's a surprise, Simran. We can't let the cat out of the bag right now.
Okay. But what do you have to say to all your fans who are super excited to see you guys back together and have been loving the song and really increasing the number of views that are coming, comments and all of that?
You know, the feeling is so overwhelming because when the people got to know, the fans got to know that we are coming up with a video together, they had everything pre-planned. पता है कैसी आप लोगों की PR टीम होती है, लोगों की टीम्स होती हैं जो सब कुछ प्लानिंग करती है, या हमारे फैंस सब प्लान करते हैं, ट्रेंड्स प्लान करते हैं, दे प्लान कि ये फर्स्ट डे होगा, ये टीजर का प्लानिंग है, ये ट्रेंड का प्लानिंग है, तो हमारे रोस्टर्स एक्चुअली वो हैं. So वो जो हमारे रोस्टर्स बनाते हैं, it's amazing. I don't remember the last time I've been such a fangirl of somebody, and I feel ashamed because there's so much to learn from our fans. They're not fans, yeah. Fan as a word is just too bad. I kind of feel ये जो प्यार है ना, ये आपका परिवार ही आपको दे सकता है, which is unconditional in the right way. जैसे I don't know how to put it. It's they plan everything. I have teams who keep sending us, हम ये trend करने वाले हैं, हम आप शर्बी music video trend करने वाले हैं, ये करने वाले हैं, वो करने वाले हैं. इतना fan girling, fan boying कौन करता है? और this is we can be so grateful. That's it.
Even we keep getting messages on a daily basis. I think forums पे जो messages आते हैं, they keep increasing the rankings that you guys have. बहुत सारे pictures post करके and all of that. So India forums पे तो specifically आप दोनों के लिए बहुत सारा प्यार हमेशा fans के दिल में है, and which they always put out. Thank you so much guys for doing this.
I think बिल्कुल. Simran, I also feel that जैसे सुरभि ने कहा, वो परिवार का हिस्सा बन चुके हैं, because they're like no longer fans. तो अब ऐसा होता है कई बार they're obviously planning the day for us, and कई बार उनके बीच में मैं बार फिर से कहता हूँ कि उनके बीच में कई बार कुछ arguments हो जाती हैं, कुछ झगड़े हो जाते हैं, कुछ चीज misconstrued हो जाती है, कुछ गलत चीजें वो समझने, तो उनके बीच में भी they have these little fights happening in the club only, and they're posting comments. But end of the day, it's the love which they kind of show, which is very unconditional. Right. So which I think both Surbhi and me obviously we kind of respect a lot, and we really kind of we are grateful.
So many fans, not fans, so many actors who are, बहुत popular for their jodis. But I kind of feel that me and Sharad here are always on the same page when we have to respect a few things they expect out of us. Be it coming together in an interview, coming together in a picture. I also kind of feel that we both as individuals, artists and Jodi, respect that, and that's the reason we try to do as much as we can. And I'm so sorry if we don't do as much as you all expect us, but we try to do it. नहीं तो बहुत लोग होते हैं जो नहीं करते हैं, और मैं ये very openly share कर रही हूँ. But I kind of feel me and Sharad always are on the same page with this, and we respect you guys, and thank you so much.
Thank you guys so much for taking out time and talking to us. And all the best for everything that you guys do in the future. Lots of love from all of us.
Thank you, Simran.
Thank you.
Thank you, Simran.
Thank you, Simran.
Bye. Take care.
Bye. Bye, darling.
Hey guys, check out our revamped website at www.indiaforums.com to get your daily dose of entertainment.